What's up, everybody? Your boy John Deere Man 22 here. Welcome back to another harvest video from of Harvest 2023. We are back up here at the Becker farm, at the Kramer farm again, to finish this. This was this corn. Yeah, there's the 78-20, but we're gonna finish up this second number probably today, and then we got a little bit left at the Becker farm, and then we got all of my grandpa and his brother's corn over at the main farm. So yeah, so anyway, yeah, I apologize for the wind, and I apologize for me being out of breath. I am absolutely whooped. I had to run the gators all the way down there, which if I zoom it back to, yeah, that's how far I ran. I ran all the way up here. So that's how neat and wonderful that is. There's my grandpa with the 8400 down there and his wagon. So yeah, so the reason why I came back out here was to go back over that corner all the way down there where the gator's sitting. And then of course then I have to try and cross over some corn stalks, and that ain't nice, and that's rough on the gator. I can't, I don't know what else I'm supposed to do, because the stalk stompers on the corn head are not doing worth a shit. So yeah, we had that little bit left to go over there, and then we got all of that down there to the driveway. We just got all that left to do, and then we're done here. And then they'll probably go to the Becker farm and finish up over there. And then after they get done over there, then they'll probably come back over to, then they'll probably come back home, and they'll combine the very last field of for Harvest 2023. And yeah, so Harvest 2023, I mean, it's not the year that we were expecting. It's not the year we were hoping for. The yields were somewhat decent. They weren't like right where they want. My grandpa and his brother, they weren't really impressed with the yields this year, but it will be fine. You get what you get. So anyway, yeah, you get some far away unloading on the go action. Yeah. There, if you guys can't tell, I think the camera's picking it up. There is some green there's some green all in the ground. Yes, sir, that is all that green stuff is all the corn that fell off or flew out of the back of the combine. And yeah, so it's gonna be a while before we get done. I see a lonely one row sitting all the way down there, so I might have just hit the jackpot with that, unless he's gonna go back for it. I don't know if he will or not, but I'm hoping he doesn't and he leaves it there, so that way I can have it. But yeah, there's the neighboring cornfield right next to ours. Yeah, we'll see about tomorrow. Tomorrow a special guest will be joining me for a Harvest 2023 video. He is my partner in crime, Sean Beasley. He runs the Iowa Country Farms YouTube channel, which I know I haven't said a word about that in like a long ass time, but I couldn't help it. That was completely my fault that I haven't been around on there. So anyway, yeah. So some of the ears of corn that are still laying around are all here. Yeah, some of the ears of corn that are still laying around are all like this. Crooked kernels and everything else. And this ain't gonna be worth a junk either. Might as well throw that down. So anyway, so yeah, here comes my grandpa and here comes the combine. We're gonna be he's probably gonna go dump on his wagon, fill that up, and then they're gonna take it back to my grandpa's brother's place, and we'll load it there. And yeah, but there's the old 8400. I love that straight pipe on that tractor. That is one mean ass tractor now. So yeah, but once I get done with this video, then I'm gonna head back to the gator all the way down there and continue gleaning. So yeah, but here we go, folks. There you go. Look at all that dust come flying out of there. Holy Toledo. So anyway, but I think this is a perfect place to stop for now. I gotta get back to gleaning, so I'll talk to you all in probably another video. Later, you guys.